Based on team size, audience, and quantity of pages, let's divide publishers into two types. Large publishers. Examples are New York Times, Times of India, YouTube, Times Inc., Facebook, Spotify, Prime Video, etc. These publishers have huge content with different categories and sections with various formats like text, audio, video, etc. They can maintain own sales team and other staff. Large publishers have millions of audience and daily visitors for their content. These publishers can create large pool of ad inventories because they have multiple page categories and sections. They can have direct relationship with top brands for most of their premium inventory. They use ad tech platforms which are high cost than small publishers and leverage their offers. Small publishers. It falls under personal and small business with few staff members. They have limited resources for their publications. When compared to large publishers, they have very less traffic. Small publishers may not maintain sales team, so they connect via ad networks. This makes them to earn very less revenue and run ads on Run network.